How to add items to your cart on Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. So basically this is the place where you can browse and add different products. Now simply you can directly search for the product or add the product. So here I'm tapping on one. So beside the product there's an add button. Simply tap on add and it has been automatically added to your cart. Now if you want to check out your cart, here on the bottom simply tap on view cart. So this is the place or the checkout section. Here you can see the items that you have added and you're all set to go. Later you can add the payment method and it will be delivered to your doorsteps. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.